Yeah, hello friend. Good morning, good evening. I hope everyone is doing good in New Year. Happy New Year to everyone from ARBP Cloud Technology. So from my team. So today we are going to introduce new Informatica Power Center classes schedule so that and who wants to come and wants to learn this technology, Informatica technology, just a basic technology so that they can start learning on cloud. They want to move on cloud so they can learn and understand the basic technology of the Informatica. What is the behind this? So if anyone wanted or anyone interested to learn on this technology or in detail, so they can contact to us, and I will schedule the classes. We are next week, we are from Saturday onward, we are going to start new batches from for Informatica Power Center, which is Informatica in premises technology, which can if anyone wanted to move their cloud technology or they want to move on CDI, so they need to understand from basic technology. If don't understand the basic like power center or in-premises technology, they don't do proper in CDI. Okay, so just try to understand, and they start enroll their course in Informatica courses, that is called as Power Center, and we also providing the CDI, means cloud technology, also IDMC, which is called a IDMC, because previously Informatica provides the different tools in one-to-one like MDM, IDQ, and Power Center like IICS, which is called the CDI and CI. Now all together they club in one umbrella that is called the IDMC. Okay, so and they are providing all information in one umbrella. Okay, so if currently client is purchasing those IDMC and they took the MDM, IDQ, and together all in things, right, so that they can club business all things. So, but for those things, if you want to learn, or those employee or they already working with Power Center, they are Informatica guys, they want to move in clouds, they also can enroll. We are providing support also in CDI and CI part. If you wanted to learn CDI or CI from us, they can enroll, they can comment or any way. There is the via channel you also you can enroll, or we are dropping some videos also in our channels. If you want to learn one by one, they can start learning, because we are going to drop on video for CDI also from going forward. Okay, but now currently we have a dropped Informatica Power Centers videos in our channels. If you want to learn something, you can go through those videos and start learning. But now from next week onward, or we are going to schedule our classes weekly. I think weekly thrice in a week we are scheduling those classes, so that and every 1 hour, means every thrice a week we schedule 1 hour. Okay, and if any question or in doubt, they can also discuss together, because we don't have classes like mutable classes. We are not providing classes like videos kind of classes, right? We can just conversation classes. Totally, if you have any doubt, you can stop the classes, you can raise your hand and you can ask those questions. We are try to resolve within the classes. So that is our the motto, so that we don't feel like we are providing some videos kind of things, right? So this is our content. Let me share my content, which will be explained in during the classes. So let me share my content, which is I'm trying to share. 1 second. This is my power center. 1 second. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the my power center content, which will provide those classes inside our uh, courses, right? So when we start classes, we'll just cover the basic data warehouse concept, right? Let's suppose if any freshers guys come, right? They don't know like what is the data warehousing. Okay, so we need to just explain what is the data warehouse first. Like, so those things will explain one by one, like there, what is the data mart, what is the OLAP, OLTP concept. Everything will be explained inside our classes. And after that, we'll explain each and everything. So you can go through the, it's my content. This is the content, like what is the data warehouse, what is data mart, what is the OLAP, why OLAP comes in picture, like what is the OLTP, right? So those things will explain in detail, so that if any new guys wanted to enroll their career in ETL guy or data engineer guys, they can enroll their course and start learning. Okay. So our next topic is data warehouse architecture. What is the staging area? Why we need the staging area? Dimensional model, star, snowflake schema, dimension fact. Okay. So these things will be explained. What is the slowly SCD type 1, type 2? This concept will be explained, okay, inside our classes. Next topics will explain what the power center components, right? Power center, designer, repository, workflow manager, workflow monitor. These content means component I will explain in detail inside our classes. Okay. Even in classes also we are providing support for practical perspective also, right? Let's suppose we don't have any thing support, so we'll provide the support also for your practical perspective of anywhere you doubt. So we help each and every steps, okay, so that you can we can make a foundation very good, safe. Okay. So that is our main motive from ARBP side, so that the guys we can prepare as a data engineer guys in our field, they can start doing good. Now next thing will be Informatica architecture, source qualifier, all things like target, transformations, mapping, maplet, session, task, everything will be explained inside our classes. Okay. What is the source, target? We are just segregated in the topic so that we don't miss anything. If we miss anything, we can just bring their topic. I will explain surely. Okay. So don't be hesitate like that to ask any question to the put it there, because we are the learning phase, right? Everything. We are not the everything is big things like we have always good, right? So maybe we can wrong, but if you have any miss any topic, we can bring their topic. I will try to explain those topic in our classes. Okay, so don't be hesitate, because our classes is totally in frank and fried side. Okay, so we are not providing kind of video, we are not a video guide, right? We are just a conversations guide. Let's suppose we are discussing in classes, we just take your voice also, right? Since the pointing your voice, not our voice, we are not kind of radio city, right? So we are just try to explain each and everything. If don't you understand, we can raise your hand. I will try to explain. If again you don't understand, I will try to twice and thrice time. Okay. If again if very mistake, we'll just try to call in one to one and I try to explain. I will try to we understand your mind and things, right, and I will explain according to your understanding. Understood, guys? Okay. Now, next thing, like we'll explain in target, what is the target inside our Informatica, what kind of target we can use and transfer those data. What is the transformation? Inside the Informatica, there's a many transformation, like there is expression transformation, lookup, sequence generator, filter, joiner, sorter, procedural transformation, router, aggregator, update strategy, union transformation, rank transformation, transitional control, normalizer, and a source qualifier, stored procedure, XML, and debugging. So, okay, so all bring together in side our that will come in our in transformations topics. I will explain each and every topic with one scenario, so that we can understand what is the meaning of those transformation and how to use these transformation, where to use this transformation, and what is the purpose of this transformation to use, because everything will use according to our scenario, according to our needs. Okay. I hope you understand, you are following my point. Understood, guys? So yeah, we are going to next topic. If any doubt, you can just raise your hand and can ask. So now next thing we'll understand the power center transformation language, like numeric function, string function, date function, conversion function, cleansing function. So everything will cover. So don't be hesitate. We will not cover. Okay. Even ETL testing part also I will cover. So if any tester guys also they wanted to learn ETL or wanted to become a data engineer, they can enroll our course. I will surely help those guys. Okay. So this is our topic, which is I will be cover in our classes in upcoming classes. So next thing, how will teach? There is my VDI also. I have VDI, and inside the VDI I have Informatica Power Center, which is the old model. But yeah, it will be helpful for our uh, classes, day-to-day classes. Okay, so don't be hesitate like this. I will. It will be help very good. Okay, so I will be connect those things. First, I need to start. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so yeah, let me start this thing. So yeah, here I will be took everything. This is the component, right? So I will explain inside Outca when we start our first class. So I will take together everything. I will explain each and every component. So yeah, let me just introduce this component first in today class, so that if you join, it will be explained in detail as well. So this is our repository part. This is your designer part. Okay, so we'll take everything and we'll to call transactions, and will be explain each and everything. So this one is the workflow. Okay, and last one is the monitor. Okay, so those guys who is the interested in principle like Power Center learn, so they can enroll this course. I'll be explain. Or if you want anyone, they interested both course like Informatica Power Center and CDI, like IICS. IICS called as CDI plus CI both. So they wanted to enroll both course. They can also enroll. There is some minor differences. The is fees we are charging very minimal things. We are not charging very huge amount, so they can just ping us or they can comment. Will be contact with him. I will explain everything. Okay, so don't be hesitate. We are explaining each and every, or if any we are just bringing the batch, so that we are just minimize the charges, and we can help to everyone. Okay, so this is our classes we are going to introduce. Here is some content already I was explained, and let me explain those things. Uh, if anyone interested in cloud also, right? So 1 second. These are the Power Center content. Okay, and cloud content I have. Yeah, this is the cloud content. If anyone interested to uh, learn the IICS cloud, they also can enroll their course, and will surely explain those things also. Okay, so this is the about our IICS course of content. So we'll explain all those things. We'll cover all those things. So it is the IICS, create new project, dashboards and everything. Okay, so IICS mapping, canvas, and all transformation will cover. The similarly parameterize IICS mapping parameter and everything. Okay, so expression macros, horizontal macros, vertical macros. Okay, hybrid macros. So dynamic linking, working with JSON file, working with XML files. Okay, task in IICS. So everything, task flow in IICS, so everything will cover inside our CDI. Okay, and what is the CI? What is API? Why we need REST API, SOAP API, Postman tool to call API. Okay, these information also we have, so we'll try to explain those things. If anyone interested in IICS part also, they can also enroll. But yeah, in a different session I will be explain this topic and this demo. In today's session, I just try to explain so that they also guys understand. Yeah, we are also providing IICS also. If they interested only this course, they can also enroll. Only if you want to together both things, like someone is the new guy, they don't understand the basics, they can enroll both. Okay, because without power center, like basic concept, they don't understand the cloud. Okay, because cloud is the most of the similar things, only just look and feel and environment is change. So minor thing, most of the thing transformation wise is same. So you need to understand first of the inferences technology, then we can move in cloud. Okay, so I hope this one is be very helpful session for you guys. If any doubt, anything, you can just try to put their question in comment. I will try to solve this points. And if any things like I will not cover or something, you have a doubt why you are not covering this. Even we are providing help you in some project also. If those guys who is in our like academic session, I wanted to prepare any project by using this technology or something, right? So they can use, and we are providing help to do the project as well. Okay, so don't be hesitate, you can drop your question, I will try to explain those things as well. Okay, so yeah, thank you, thanks everyone, nice to join you. Okay, and happy new year again, and we'll be meet in next session if everyone is enrolled. Okay, yeah, thanks guys.